your own website for free. Basically, if you want to create a website of your own, then you got to purchase your domain, and from the domain register sites such as GoDaddy, Wix, Weebly, and other websites as well. But if you want to create a website of your own without spending a dime, then you can do it by creating a subdomain instead of a domain. Well, there are many websites which offer you this subdomain services like 000webhost.com, wix.com, weebly.com. Well, there are other websites as well. So in this video, I'll be talking about Weebly. I'll be showing you how to create your own free website using Weebly. So just go to this link, weebly.com, and once you go in there, you will see a web page like this. Now over here, click on Get Started. And then you're going to fill up this form. You can even log in with your Facebook or Google Plus, or you can create your own account using your email address. Now let me create an account using my email address. And click on sign up. And here it asks you to choose a theme for your website. For example, let me choose this one. It says dark business. So you'll find an option to choose the theme under each and every theme. Just click on the choose option. I'm going to choose this theme over here. And then you will see a screen like this. Over here you got to select use a subdomain of weebly.com, and here enter the name of your website. For example, let me enter tejaswaroop156.weebly.com. So once you enter the name of your website, you just click on continue, and here we go. You are now ready to design your website using the Weebly website builder. So you can add text, edit text like this. Let me say Tejaswaroop, think complex, do simple. And yes, you can do stuff like this, and you can edit each and everything like this. You can add apps like this, the promote, scheduler, and many apps, the elements, the text, image, gallery. You can add a video, audio, document, and whatnot. You can do anything using this website builder. And once you have designed this website, you can just click on the publish button, which is present over the right top corner of the screen. So here we go. If you click on the publish button, and then once again select use a subdomain of weebly.com, and make sure that this text box contains the name of your website, and finally click on continue. And you gotta verify that you are a human. Just click over here, and this changes to a tick symbol. Just click on OK, publish my site, and it says website published. And here we go. Let us now go to our newly created website. And here we go. Here is our new website. So here is our website, tejaswaroop156.weebly.com. Well, actually you can edit your website to however you want. So I'll be back once I've completely made this website look professional, and I've completely edited this website, because I can't show everything in this video because I don't want the video to finally I have managed to make my website look like this by using some of the elements in the website builder, and I have added an image of myself, and then a newsletter form, and then a contact form in the contact page, just like this. Yes, I know this is not the best edit. You can edit your website using the Weebly website builder, and you can make it look dynamic, and it all depends on your patience and your creativity. So this is how you can create your own website for free, that is by creating subdomain using weebly.com. Well, there are many other sites like weebly.com which offer you to create a subdomain for free, but I think the Weebly is best amongst them. So that's all I wanted to teach you in this video. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can feel free to comment below in the comment section, or even email me at anonymoushacker15